Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Fatim and welcome back to Fatim Alif's Kitchen. So today in Fatim Alif's Kitchen, guys, we've got you pasta bake, and these are the recipes that are going in the pasta bake. So we've got homemade tomato sauce here. I have made that with tomato, basil, thyme and garlic in here. I blended all of them together, which I put here. And then I've got mozzarella cheese here, lots of that. We need that for the pasta bake. I've got grated parmesan here, and I've got 1 kg of minced meat, and I'm using lamb mince today, guys. And I've got salt here, 1 teaspoon, and pepper here, 1 tablespoon. I've got 5 garlic cloves, and then I chop them small. And I've got 1.5 white onion that I chopped small, and I've got a handful of spring onion that is also chopped. And I have got parsley here, dry parsley and dry thyme that I will add in the cooking. So it's going to be nice, guys. Let's get started. Our oil is nicely hot. We're going to go on and add our mince in. Then we'll add our onions in and the garlic. And then we're going to stir all of these together. Okay, guys, we're going to add the salt in and the pepper, and then we give it all a stir, and we are going to cook this for a minute or two. Okay, guys, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the green seasoning. So I'm going to add the spring onions in now, some dry parsley, and some thyme. The blended tomatoes I'm adding now. And then I'm going to add some water in. Right, so I will cook this for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add peas and sweet corn because half of the room liked sweet corn and the other half light peas, so I said why not add half of each. Meet in the middle. Let's meet in the middle. There you go. So we add that to it. Okay guys, that has cooked well. It's looking good. I'm gonna try some salt tasting. Yeah, the salt is perfect. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so that's done. We're gonna move it up here. Okay guys, so we're going to come and make our pasta bake layer in here now. Right, so we've got the pasta here all nicely cooked, guys. I'm using a panini pasta today, but you can use any pasta of your choice. Okay, so we're going to go on and add some mince sauce under the bottom of our oven dish. Right, and then I'll add some cheese in. Tip some of that in. Oops. It's going all over the place. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put the mince on it. I need to mix all of these together, guys. It needs to be mixed. Right. Add another pasta in. Some basil here. I need to mix these. Sorry, 1 second. I've got some fresh basil here. And let me add the cheese and try and mix it all together with the cheese also, guys. Some fresh basil, guys. Mix it all of that. Mix all of it together. I need one. Got a spatula. I need to make sure it's all mixed together. Right. We've got a good mix here. Oh my god, look at that. It looks like it's ready already. You want to have it now? But it's not ready yet, guys. Still on the process. Okay guys, so we're going to put that leftover basil on the top here. And then we're going to put some cheese also on the top of this pasta bake. Nice and cheesy. And the other cheese, the Parmesan. Lovely. Right, so we're going to bake this pasta for half an hour in an preheated oven, gas mark 180 degrees. pasta bake has cooked lovely well in here, and I'm going to take it out. Sorry, going to take it out there. Look at that. It is all nicely crisp together. That pasta has cooked so well, guys, and then I went on and add another extra 5 minutes to let the top bit crisp, like how it looks at the moment here. And it looks so nice and creamy, and it looks so well. And guys, I hope you like watching that with us while we make it. I'm going to go on and have a little trial, just a tiny bit trial of the pasta bake right in here. Oh my god, look at how cheesy that pasta looks. Wow, let me have a little try. Let's see. Okay, it's gonna be hot. That is really nice, guys. Little bit hot, but it's very, very nice. So guys, that's all that we've got for you today in the kitchen. I hope you enjoy watching it while we make it for you. And if you do, please put your thumbs up. And thank you for the lovely support. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe and hit that notification bell right over here, so that you don't miss out on contents when we post a new video. You'll be the first to be notified. In the meantime, this is nice and hot. We're going to enjoy it, and you're all invited. Thank you for watching. Until we come on your way again soon. Goodbye.